Election Day Live updates voters decide KY governor. State houses show Caption hide Caption Kentucky election everything you need to know before you vote. The Kentucky general election takes place on November 7, 2023. Know who's running for governor of Kentucky and other offices before you head to the polls to vote. Results from races in and around the state will be available shortly after polls close across the state. So be sure to check back here to see who won. Tonight we'll have live coverage featuring host Kirby Adams, Metro columnist Joe Gerth, Metro government reporter Eleanor McCrary, and a special guest USA Today national political correspondent Phillip M. Bailey, a Louisville native and Courier Journal alum. Democrat Andy Beshear won a second term as governor of Kentucky after a contentious race against Republican challenger Daniel Cameron. Beshear surpassed his 2019 showing in key areas of the state, including Fayette County, winning with 72% of the vote. It also increased its margins in some rural counties, including eastern Kentucky. Republican Mark Metcalf is cruising to victory in the Kentucky treasurer race with a significant lead over Democrat Michael Bowman. The Garrard County attorney had the vote 57 to Bowman's 43 as of 8:30 Tuesday night. Republican Allison Ball gave an acceptance speech in the state auditor race against Democrat Kim Reeder. "I am proud to be Kentucky's next superintendent," Ball said Tuesday night in Louisville. The race has yet to be called by a major news organization. Republican Russell Coleman won the race for Kentucky Attorney General, defeating Democrat Pamela Stevenson. Incumbent Republican Michael Adams was re-elected for Kentucky Secretary of State, defeating Democrat Charles Buddy Wheatley. If can boldly lead Kentucky from bottom up on election reform, why can't we do the same with education, public safety, quality of life, social mobility? Answer is absolutely can. However, if you are in line, you can still vote. Jefferson County had the most complaints, 21 total, 8 procedural questions, 6 on voting machines, 3 regarding residents, 2 legal questions, 1 complaint about election officials and election complaints. Polls in western half of the state remain open for next hour. He won the 2019 contest by 0.4. outnumbering Andy Beshear's number of votes over Matt Bevin 4 years ago. If governor's race, or another statewide election, occurs again in the 2021 law passed by legislature, part of a larger voting rights expansion package, would force an automatic recount. The new rule is triggered if any Kentucky race is decided by 0.5 or less and Beshear and Attorney General Daniel Cameron were tied at 47 in the last poll before the election. The Jefferson Circuit Court ordered extended polling hours at 2 locations: Blue Lick Elementary School and Highland Baptist Church, representing precincts 141, 145, L170, L171, L203 and L219. A police search at school and a potential gas leak.